a large screen, advanced diagnostic functions, and Smartlink remote diagnosis. This is the X431 PAD VII, an intelligent diagnostic tool. One is enough. It makes your intelligent diagnosis faster with the optimized chipset, upgrade operating system, and large memory, dynamic HD cameras that allow for bird's eye views, and improved dual Wi-Fi connectivity that allows the VCI to maintain faster and stable connection during diagnostics. The precision machined outer shell is designed to work against workshop hazards such as water and dust damage, and in compliance with IP65. The X431 PAD VII is more intelligent than ever. With the powerful Smartlink VCI, you are available to perform remote diagnosis without being on site and the limitation of diagnostic functions, tools, and vehicle types. It is able to assist technician to identify the OBD2 port pin automatically and display the real-time voltage for voltage condition monitoring during live diagnostics. New Topology Mapping gives a visual checking on full diagnostic results and malfunctions intuitively. Quick access ADAS calibration features through the ADAS module in conjunction with the Launch ADAS calibration product. Expand and upgrade your X431 PAD VII with more diagnosis software via new Mojo Mall. It provides numbers of built-in repair guidance and training videos to assist technicians to track and fix the diagnostic faults efficiently. Solve high-level faults with advanced modules such as videoscope, oscilloscope, TPMS, key immobilizer, and sensor box by adding on with the X431 PAD VII. All these innovations and more make X431 PAD VII the most powerful X431 ever. X431 PAD VII. One is enough.